Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So we will be trying to design today. We will trying to design the UI view. We will take the bottom view. We will design the bottom view, and that bottom custom view, that is in terms of XIB, we will be loading into the view controller. Let's get started. So initially we have to take one view for creating this XIB view. You just check my previous videos so that you will get to know. So now what I will be doing, I will be adding stack view with the height and with the constraint of 20 20 20 top, left, right, and bottom 0 0. And now I will be taking one view. I will be unchecking the safe area. See here, I will be unchecking the safe area. And why I will be unchecking the safe area? Because in the lower devices I want to eat it from. I want it from the, for the higher devices I want it from the above the safe area that view has to show. And now I will take one image view and one label. For the image I will be giving 20 for the fixed height and width of image, so to the view, because we want to design uh, 3 buttons with bottom view, that like same like tab bar controller, the similar UI tab bar controller which we are designing it in the XIB with the in the designing with the help of bottom menu view. So you can we are doing the center, horizontal and vertical with respect to that view, because that view we are adding it to the stack view. So you can observe here, see I will be duplicating, and I will be, see here I have added the inside the stack view one view and image and label, because I want 3 menu items in the bottom with respect with the respect of the stack view. Now see here, now I will be duplicating the okay, before that I'll be center aligned to the center vertical and horizontal with respect to that view. I'm giving the vertical spacing with respect to image, and but center vertically with respect to that view. See here, see the difference. It is below the label, is below the image with a vertical spacing of 5 or 10, something like that. And I will be adding the font also in the left side. In the left side we can, in the right side we can see we have to give the font size with for that label. And now I will be duplicating the views. I want 3 elements for the bottom menu, and I will be setting it, that stack view, to the fill to equally, so that all 3 items has been aligned at the center. Now I will be giving the images one by one. You can see here, first one is home, next favorite, and then profile. I will be changing the second one now. Second one would be favorite, favorite with gray color. And one more thing I wanted to mention here, all the source code will be available below the GitHub link. And now I will be, after adding the images, I will be changing the labels content, such as home, profile, home, favorite, and profile. And I will be changing the color as well. One more thing I wanted to mention here, instead of tab gestures I will be using again button, because that is more convenient to me. If you are using a programmatic UI, you should try to avoid these the multiple elements, because you will get in confusion with the with that process. So always just try to avoid the multiple elements with respect to this programmatic UI, not only with respect to the storyboard elements you can use however you want. And now I'll be setting the button with the custom here button. I will be setting custom with default, and I am removing the title of the button, so that I can set center to the vertical and horizontal with respect to this view. Or you can give the leading trailing for, or we can give the leading trailing top bottom, or we can give the center vertically with respect to this view and horizontally with respect to that view. Instead of giving the four constraints, you can give two constraints also. That will also work in the better way. But always just try to give four constraints when you are giving the with respect to the any other elements. That's a good way you can give. That will also work, but my perspective, you have to give at least four constraints for with respect to that button, with respect to that images. Same process for all three items. You have to give the leading, trailing, top, bottom. If the video is speed, please pause and then revisit again. Now see top, and see here what I did. In the whenever you want to change the constraints of the top, right, bottom, left, you have to go to the right side and you have to edit it here. See here, I'm editing the constraints in the suppose 0. I'm giving 0 0 type. You have to click on that line, then you can easily able to edit leading, trailing, top, bottom. Same process for all three elements. You have to follow the all three elements with the same process, with the constraints leading, trailing, top, bottom, and editing that constraint with respect to the main view, with respect to this stack view. Now I will be taking one label, that line I want. So for that I'll show the design at the end of this video, don't worry. Now we have to we have to add only width, and we will be removing the label, and then we will be adding the background color. You can see the difference. Text we are removing, and height and width we have given, and we are setting at the top, and center vertical and center horizontal, so that it can align only the center. Otherwise we can give the center vertical, only center vertical, and giving the vertical spacing with respect to the view. You can see here I'll be editing. See here in the left side, I'll be see here top constraints I have given with respect to that one, with respect to that label. Now see here, this is the design. Actually this is home, this is favorite, this is profile. So here the label is, it is in the rounded corner, and rounded corner also we will do it in the next video with this bottom design only. But focus on this line. So now I have added the line, and I am taking the color of that design. You can easily see here, color of that design is okay. Now we'll run the project. We'll edit it later. Okay, see here, we have got this design. Okay, worried. Okay, no problem. Now we'll remove the background color. Okay, we have given the background color. See as in the bottom menu UI view, we have given the red color. That's what it is showing, the background red color. Now we have removed that red color, and we'll be adding here. See, I have changed the main view color so that we can differentiate. See here, you can easily see. This is what the bottom design. You can design it with respect to the view controller. With respect to the view controller, instead of tab bar controller, you can design the custom XIB and load that XIB into the view controller. And see here, one more thing I wanted to tell you. Here, custom colors we have mentioned. That is, you can design. You can do like this also. Suppose here I have taken struct with struct will use the minimum memory, less memory, and static and I have taken two variables and with the different colors I am mentioning here, and I am reusing that colors wherever you want. You can reuse that. Now the next in the next video we'll try to design the we'll try to give the actions to the three buttons. Color also I will be taking the color. So color here is I think we have to use okay. Okay, got it. Stroke. Okay, we'll be using ff38. Now we will continue with the next video.